We maintain a 60% overlap on each pass to guarantee uniform color and gloss. It's been a long process. We're finally getting the body ready for paint, starting with the rear panels. Scene 65. The green Charger waited under the corrugated shelter, the wind picking up slightly across the open field. When you close the door on a classic like this, you feel the quality craftsmanship instantly. This right here is the heart of the beast, a classic 440 cubic inch V8. We've kept the original block but upgraded the induction system for modern performance. We start here with the air intake, move across the chrome valve covers, and inspect the heavy-duty battery setup on the fender well. Restored to its original factory specifications, the deep green vinyl interior of this 69 Coronet is immaculate. The undisputed king of the street, the 1969 Dodge Charger, still roars louder than ever.